Alright, you guys, I don't know how well you guys can hear me, but we're on the bike. I can't see your guys' camera view because I just got my GoPro. I haven't gotten a mount yet, so you guys are just on there with tape, so sorry if you have a bad view. I don't know how good your view is, but yeah, this is pretty much what my YouTube channel will be. It's kind of muddy out, just bored, so probably won't be hitting too many jumps today. Just letting the bike warm up right now. Not too sure how much we're gonna be able to do today, but yeah, like I said, I have a TC85 small wheel Husqvarna. This is pretty much where I ride. Don't know how well you guys can see, but this is pretty much where I ride. And I do have trails. Once I get my bike warmed up here, we can go on them. And yeah, this is a little loop that I have back here. I like to come down here and kind of do a circle right here. Come out right here. She was warmed up, I'd shoot off right there, but she ain't very warmed up. Go up here to the woods for you guys. Alright, this is my woods. You see the trails down here. All those trails out there. And then right here's a trail. And I have one big trail, and all kinds of trails through here. There's a tree down on that one. We got a trail that goes up here, and then if you come down here, we got a trail right down here. I just made this one here recently. Call it the deer trail because I made it off of a deer path that was down here in the woods at my house. Shoot up the mountain. It's very wet right now, like crazy. So yeah, it looks like I'm going slow. It's just a GoPro. Actually going pretty fast here. Again, don't know how well you guys can hear me. Never used GoPro before. Don't know how loud my bike will be in the video, so if you guys can't hear me, at least you get the recording. Right now, it is soaking wet outside. I just want to come out and test it out and kind of show you guys around, but can't really ride the trails right now. Don't want to tear them up a whole bunch. Can't really hit the jumps either. I'll hit this one really quick for you guys, but won't really be able to hit too many of these just because of how wet it is. There's that one for you. I don't have huge jumps. I mean, I'm not big in the jump game. I used to have a Honda 150R. I could wheelie that pretty good, but I'm not too good at wheeling it. I can get it up there, but whole different story in the whole two-stroke thing. And this is my first two-stroke. I had started off on a 110 CRF 110, and then got a CRF 125 trail bike, and then I had a 150R CRF, and then I have this now, a Husqvarna 85. Get one of my starts in really quick. I do not race currently. Thinking about getting into that stuff, but not currently into it. Again, it is very slippery. Not going to be ripping very hard. Just because it's very slippery. got this trail right here. I do have some others, but they're just kind of random trails. They're not very big. They're just kind of get around the property. This one's like a real kind of dirt bike trail. The other ones, we can take my lawnmower on. My pap has a Kubota. That's what I make all my jumps with. Yeah. That's pretty much all I have here. I'll go around and show you guys some of the jumps, but I'm not sure if the GoPro's still going. Hope it is. Alright. I'm not hitting big jumps at all right now. Not a big jumper. But here's my first jump right there. And then have a jump right here for you, right there. Have one right here. Have my tabletop. Have that little jump by the tree. Got this berm right here. I come out of there. Come up through here. This is like a little thing right here. That's where the water comes out of my pool, and it sort of formed that for me there. Not looking to get very wet today. But yeah, pretty much what we got. I mean, I'll ride around a little bit here for you guys, but that's pretty much all I got. I'm a big trail guy, me personally. I like the trails and stuff like that, but don't have too much of that here. A little thing that I have right here. Shoot out of here for you guys here once. Oh. Been riding this bike here for about a year, or here for about 2 years. Not the best in the world, but you know, yeah, not the best, but we get the job done. I think I've learned quickly in the whole jumping aspect of everything, because the 110, I started out on that. That was the first bike that I got on. It wasn't mine, so couldn't do too much on it, but yeah. Then my 125, I mean, obviously 125F. CRF 125F, that's not a bike to jump by any means at all. Oh, this is a new trail. I am just riding right now. I don't even know where I'm going. This is my first two-stroke. Had this about 2 weeks now. Just got a GoPro just because I wanted to start doing this for you guys and seeing what I could do. The only other content that you guys are really gonna get is I love riding lawnmowers, so I know that'd be very boring, but a little video of me mowing my lawn. Obviously I wouldn't show you mowing my whole yard, but I have this lawn, and then my mom and dad are divorced, so I have my dad's house. I don't have a dirt bike there currently, but definitely looking into one. So yeah, that'll be nice once I have one there. I did make a video on the GoPro about 2 years ago, a video from my dad's. I might post that, I don't know, we'll see, but yeah, we'll see. That's my mom up there. Very muddy out today. Don't know how long I'll ride. This might just be a really quick, short video. Not sure how long it is yet, but I have a buddy, Jackson. I'm not gonna say his full name, but friend Jackson that I go out and ride with. He has about 7 to 10 acres. They got one trail. They're mainly all open. They got some tracks. I don't. He's big in jumping. I'll show you guys videos of him jumping. I currently do not like jumping very much. I mean, I hit all these jumps, obviously, but he's got a 150, and then he has 2 older brothers that ride 250s, and I go up there and ride with them sometimes, and yeah, it's a good time. And he doesn't really come here very much just because there isn't very much around here. I don't normally leave third gear here. Yeah, still pretty fun. I'll probably be going to some riding parks here soon. My pap, we lease 85 acres up there at my pap's house, and 85 acres up there at my pap's house he leases, and he owns probably 15. I can go right up there. I hunt up there. They actually normally hunt up there. They normally hunt up there, but yeah. I might post some hunting videos. I have to go with my dad though. I might start hunting here. Only have about 3 acres though. I only have 3 acres, so I mean it wouldn't be like nothing crazy. I might kill a doe or 2 here. I can only bow hunt here just because I have a neighbor, or all my neighbors. I'm too close to houses. I mean, it's not like too close by. I need more room to hunt rifle. Yeah, so this is kind of where I ride and what really you're gonna see on this channel for the most part. Might do my lawn and ride at my pap's house. My dad does have a Polaris utility, 450 Polaris utility 4-wheeler. I ripped that around up there and got that, but that's pretty much all we have currently. Yeah, that's really all I have to say for this video. Thanks for watching. I don't really have anything else to post, so bye.